Alright, we're gonna be harvesting my two biggest potato plants. These two I left because they were still green and they were quite big, so I wanted to do a solo harvest. As you can see, the stems are quite big, so I'm excited to see what I get. So I'll be harvesting my Pontiac that's been growing in a large mulch bag. This bag is fine, I'm just cutting it for the video so we can see how the formation of the tubers are. Look at that. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Those are pretty big. Let's see if I can pull it. Oh wow. That's actually holding together. I should chop this off though. I don't know where the knife is. Uh-oh, I think I buried the knife. Ooh. Looks like we have another one here. Oh, this is big. And so it's a bit compact here. Whoa. Oh. Yeah. So it was a bit too wet. That's why you got all those white spots there. Swollen lentils, I think. Ooh, look at that. What are those white, tiny white spots? That's not. Looks like the things that grow on legumes, those little white spots and roots, but potato doesn't do that. Alright. Let's see what we got. This is pretty big, he's pretty good. I'm gonna guess. There's gonna be 300 each. 300 grams, probably. 6, 9. Huh. 2.6, 2.7. Doesn't look like 3, I don't think so. And here's the second giant potato plant. This one is King Edward. This one's grown in a garden bed, one fourth of the garden bed. I was meant to have another giant plant here. It got damaged by frost, so I just harvested with the rest. This one can go on a bit longer, but the last week or two, it's got a fungal disease and it's been taking out the plant pretty fast. So I'll just harvesting it now as well. This is what it did look like when it was healthy though. There's a watering can for size comparison. Right, I know this. Ooh, whoops. Is that on this one? I know there's like 5 or 6 right on the surface. Let's have a look. Ooh, look at that. Actually, there's a lot of soil here. I'm not gonna bother. Actually, maybe I'll put something underneath. Yeah, we have one. Let's see, we have one. 1, 2, 3, 6. Oh, we got one here. Oh, that looks big. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, this is massive. Yeah, it looks like a King Edward can grow this big. It's probably 500 grams. Looks like I can make more potato chips. Alright, here we go. There's a lot of roots. Wait, unlike the Pontiac, actually I don't remember, the Pontiac didn't have roots on the top. That's a nice one there. I'll put that there actually. Wait. Oh! This is another huge one! I was like, no, this is that other one I picked first. I was like, wait a minute, it looks a bit flat. Oh my god, look at that. It's a nice one. Here's the other big one down here. Nice small ones. Is that focus? This looks big. Oh, yes it is. Nice. Oh, where are we? Small one. Alright, I'll put these here. Let's see if we got any more. Is that growing? Oh, it's growing. We have another one. Oh. This feels big. Whoa. This King Edward did heaps good. Look at that. We got 4 big ones there. Yeah. I don't think there's any more. Can't wait for this to be gone. This is all gonna be not mulch. This is all gonna be weed mat. Let's see what we got. Bro, this is huge. Alright, this is what we got. This looks like 3 kilos. Actually, these are 500. 400, 400. I want to say 3 kilos. This looks like 3 kilos. Ooh. It's really good. Look at that. So massive. And here's the total harvest I got from both plants, which is pretty nutty. I did a poll where people guess if it's going to be over 4 kilos for each plant or under 4 kilos. The people voted under, you were correct, but it was pretty close, 3.3 and 3.4. But yeah, this harvest I'm really happy with. Alright, let's go and weigh them. Alright, here it is all washed. Alright, let's weigh it. Ooh, 600 grams. Okay, gotta put it. Actually, let me. 600. Almost 600. 580. 550. Wow. Okay. Two. To 4. To 7. Oh, we broke the 3. 3.3 kilos. Nice. Okay, that's a record rare. What are you? 540? 570? 530? 4? 2. Ooh. Oh, this is a bit difficult. Okay, this broke 3 as well. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Ooh, 3.4. Right, so these two basically weigh the same. Here's the rest. We got this one. Maybe by the end of this month or a little over. These are Delaware, but there's 14 in this one bed, so these aren't going to be large. We got this one over here. Actually, it looks like the other two grew, so we're harvesting 5 plants from this pot. The pink eye that we did, we layered it. It's finally starting to grow. It's right there. I think there's 12 seeds I planted. And over in this one, actually, my one giant royal blue that was sprouting, I planted in here. I wonder how this is gonna turn out, because it is gonna go through summer, so it's gonna have a lot more issues with disease and virus. But if all goes well, we could get something pretty good here. And we still have these ones over here for the soil comparison.